Please reference Systems with Intelligence's SMA02 Magnetic Mount Quick Installation Guide. We suggest that the installer first determine the ideal and safe location to mount the magnetic bases. We also recommend that you follow this typical base pattern when choosing the location for the magnetic mounts. Install magnetic base number 2 below and in line with magnetic base number 1 above. Connect adapter tube 1 to fiberglass tube 1. Next, screw and hand tighten adapter to magnetic base 1 firmly. Next, insert both adjustable angle connectors, 2 pieces, to fiberglass tube 1 assembly. Place at recommended location X and Y. Refer to figure 3 of the manual. Install tube adapter at end of fiberglass tube 1 assembly. Affix set screw and tighten with Phillips screwdriver. Next, place number 14 connector T on tube 1 assembly and tighten with 3/16 Allen key. Add set screw on opposite side to secure the connector T to the tube assembly 1. Here, we have the fiberglass poles 2 and 3, along with the fiberglass tube short bar for the connector T. Here we have a set of IM500 SM500 mounting clamps to be affixed on the fiberglass tube short bar. Insert the fiberglass tube short bar to make a T-junction. Ensure that the short bar is aligned in the center of tube assembly 1. Secure with 3/16 Allen key. Slide and adjustable IM500 clamps on either side of fiberglass short bar and secure in place with 10 mm socket wrench. Insert remaining fiberglass poles 2 and 3 to adjustable angle connectors on main tube assembly 1. Tighten accordingly and secure with 3/16 Allen key. Next, screw and hand tighten the adapter tube 8 and hand tighten to magnetic base number 2. Temporarily remove pin tab lock. Raise the tube assembly 1 to insert fiberglass pole 2 to adapter tube 2. Install the fiberglass short bar 12 with the truss connector swivel coupler 16 on fiberglass pole 1. Set in place to adjust later. Raising the assembly, insert fiberglass pole 2 to the magnetic base 2 and secure in place. Place the magnetic base 3 offset to the right side of the other magnetic bases. Adjustment to location may be required to firmly set the magnetic mount 3 in place. Raising the assembly with fiberglass pole 3, insert to magnetic base 3 and set in place with pin tab lock 15. Bridge fiberglass tube 1 to fiberglass tube 2 and secure in place with truss connector swivel coupler 16. Unlock both fiberglass poles 2 and 3 Lower assembly to install IM500's SM500's clamps. Screw and tighten IM500 SM500 mounting arm to the back of each unit so that they are secure. Connect the power cable to the left-facing input connection. Next, tighten accordingly. Guide the power cable along the fiberglass tubes and secure with nylon cable ties. Drill a through hole into adapter tubes with fiberglass tubes inset to allow for pin tab locks. See Figure 5 of SMA02 Quick Install Guide. Make all appropriate adjustments to set assembly in place. Tighten the magnetic base tooth lock join nuts with torque socket wrench. Refer to Figure 5. Note that the SWI junction box comes pre-configured along with the option of industrial magnets for ease of installation. Also note that SWI junction box hardware is specific to each application. Contact us at support@systemswithintelligence.com. Thanks for watching.